Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn about opposite words in English. Let's start. 1. Good bad. 2. Heavy light. 3. Expensive cheap. 4. Full empty. 5. Wet dry. 6. Smooth rough. 7. Thick thin. 8. Old young. 9. Right left. 10. Strong weak. 11. Poor rich. 12. Hot cold. 13. Clean dirty. 14. Quiet noisy.